Hello everyone. We just got into our room and it has the most incredible views of the pool. But hold on, let me show you how big this place is. We have claimed our stake in this bedroom. And it is a pretty sizable bedroom with its own bath and a desk, a shower, hot tub, a sink, and a toilet. And let me just show you just how long this place goes. The other side is a mirror image. So you have another master bedroom here. All rooms have balcony access. So they have a nice TV in each room, closet, bathrooms, hot tub, and a desk. And of course, as previously mentioned, the balcony access in each room. It is one big wraparound balcony. So now we are leaving the bedroom, and here is another bathroom. Just a normal sized one. Very nice with the tiles. Here we have the bunk bedroom. It has two bunk beds, they're pretty sizable. And a PS4. Here is another bedroom for a total of 4. This one has 2 beds, a closet, TV, a dresser, a bench, so you can put on your shoes or whatever. Balcony access. Once again. And this is actual balcony. So we have a full table out here. Here is one of the bedrooms that I'm showing that we peeked out of the door from. As you can tell, it's very busy today. The views are amazing. We're definitely going to see all of the fireworks somewhere over there. So this balcony spans the entire length of this 4-bedroom unit. Here is the entrance to the living room. Here is the last bedroom that was not shown. And here is the last master bedroom that we started off in. Coming back in from the double bed bedroom, we are going to go check out the living room and kitchen. Here we have nice balloons for Kevin's retirement. Unfortunately, he was unable to join us today on this trip. They did give him some nice chocolates and an envelope. So as you see, we have 2 couches, looks like a recliner TV. Here is a full kitchen with fridge and everything. We actually had our groceries delivered and they put them in the fridge for us, which was very nice. Here is a full washer dryer set in this room. So that's nice. And of course, another bathroom. It is occupied right now. And the last bedroom with a single bed and a couch. And of course, balcony access. And that is our 4-bedroom suite. Pretty sweet, huh? Get it, sweet?